Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here because your HP printer is showing the EBS00P0004 error code, you're in the right place. This pesky error can halt your printing tasks, but don't worry, I'll break it down step by step, so you can get back to printing in no time. Let's dive in. First, what does the EBS00P0004 error mean? This code typically signals a communication issue between your printer and the computer, or it could point to a hardware problem like issues with the printhead or ink delivery system. It's common in HP models and often relates to how the printer processes data or detects components. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most frequent culprits include low or faulty ink cartridges, clogged printheads from dried ink, outdated printer firmware, or even a loose USB connection. Sometimes, it's as simple as a temporary glitch after a software update or power surge. Identifying the root cause is key to fixing it quickly. Alright, onto the solutions. Start with the basics. Check your ink levels through the printer's control panel or software. If any cartridges are low or empty, replace them and try printing again. This resolves the error about 50% of the time. Next, perform a soft reset. Turn off your printer, unplug it from the power source, wait for at least 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This clears temporary memory issues and can fix communication errors. If that doesn't work, run a printhead cleaning cycle. Access your printer's settings via the HP Smart app or the device itself, and select the maintenance option to clean the printheads. Do this a couple of times if needed. Another important step is updating your firmware. Head to the official HP website, enter your printer model, download the latest firmware update, and install it. This ensures your printer is compatible with the latest software. If you're still stuck, double-check all connections, like ensuring your USB cable is secure or that your wireless printer is properly connected to your network. As a last resort, contact HP support for more advanced troubleshooting. There you have it. Simple steps to banish that EBS00P0004 error. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning your printer and keeping drivers updated can prevent future issues. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.